Making graphs on Excel is something that you will do very often throughout your freshman year. To the right, we have a line graph on the top, and then we have a column or a bar graph on the bottom. Line graphs or XY graphs are probably the most frequently type of graph used in biology, and you'll also use that again in physics. Line graphs are used to display a trend or relationships between one or more variables. The data displayed in line graphs are continuous and numerical. And notice here on the x-axis, that is a horizontal axis, that we have numerical data that increases from 0 to 120. That is continuous numbers and they are numerical. However, sometimes students can also display continuous numerical data in a column chart, and that is what's shown at the bottom. Here we have different coffee concentrations, and we display those values in a column as opposed to a line. Regardless of the type of graph that you choose to create, there are a few things with graphing that need to be consistent in order for the graph to be effective. One thing is the graph title. The graph title should always include the independent variable, the dependent variable, and the subject. Notice that the dependent variable, what is measured, is always placed on the y-axis. The y-axis is the one that is vertical or going up and down. And the dependent variable here is growth rate, and that is shown on the y-axis. The independent variable, what is changed or manipulated, always goes on the horizontal x-axis. But both the y and the x-axis have data labels, and they both have units of measurement.